Good morning, students. We have learned what is business, and today we will learn the role of profit in the business. Because yesterday we have learned the objectives of the business. In that concern, we should know the main point of view of a businessman is to earn profit. Because you know very well, business is an economic activity, and to earn is the main objective of any business. Okay, so today's topic is what is the role of profit in any business. I have told you why a businessman does the business, why he want to go in any person, why he want to go in any business, because he wants to earn profit. If a person does not earn profit, what is the need of business there? Business is not a charitable organization. He is not for the service, only service for humanity. Yes, it is sure he serves the pupil, businessman serves the pupil, but he also earn the profit, he also earn the income, because it is also economic activity, it is not a charitable activity. So there is a very much importance of profit in any business. Let's see. The first point is survival. If a businessman does the business and he is not earning profit, he cannot survive for a long run. If he wants to stand in the market, if he wants that his business should be continue, he should have earned profit. When he earns profit, he can survive, because profit is a part. He can earn the money with the profit. Profit is a kind of earning source of businessman, and any business is needed money to survive. Not only businessman is also required money for himself and for his family, because he is doing the business for him and his family. But there are some needs of business also. That's why profit is very important for survival, for business and businessmen both. Now we will see the second point, expansion and growth. When profit becomes high, slowly, he is doing business and he is getting good performance, and at that time, if the profit increases continuously, at that time any businessman want to open a new branch for his shop. If we are taking the example, he will start some other type of business also. He will want to expansion for his business. And you can take the example, another example is, if a person is producing one or two products and he is getting good profits, so he will want at that time that he should produce more products, and in this way he can expand his business. Business and growth both are depend on the profit. What the profit he is earning, that will be called the growth of the business. Means growth is directly upon the profit. Is that clear? Now we will see the third point, symbol of efficiency. Profit indicates how the businessman is efficient. The management is how much efficient it is. It will be known only by the profit. If suppose if a person is running an organization and he is doing best efforts, even then he is not earning profit. If he is earning profit, the level of that profit is very low in comparison of other companies which are running in the market. At that time, it will be said, and it is right, that his management, that the organization's management is not so efficient as the management of other companies are efficient. Okay, so it is the index of the performance also. It is the index of the performance. Index means it is the symbol of performance of the management, and how much efficient the management is depend upon the profit. Anyhow, the organization is earning the profit much and more, it means his organization's management is very efficient and performance, that's why is coming good. Now we will see the fourth point, reward for bearing the risk. If any organization is earning profit continuously, or that organization is earning much and more profit, it means he has borne too high risk. I have told you at the time of understanding the objectives of the business that risk factor is involved in the business. But it is said, more risk, more profit, low risk, low profit, no risk, no profit. It means if an organization is earning much and more profit, it means he has the capability of bearing the high risk also, which is very good. So profit is the reward for bearing the risk. Now one thing more. What is one thing? That one thing is, if the profit earning capacity is high of an organization, if any casualty happens, he can bear that casualty also, which may become in future. Now we will see the last point of role of profit in the business, helps to gain reputation. Reputation is very important for an organization or company. In the business term, the reputation of an organization is called goodwill. The reputation of a company, the reputation of an organization is called goodwill. So, if the profit is very high and the organization is earning continuously profit, this will increase the reputation of that company, firm or organization. And I have told you, we show the accounting books in which the profit has been expressed, and that profit creates the loan taking capacity of that firm. Means at that time, organization or company can take the loan in a high amount, and any financial institution will be ready to see the profits of that organization. And in the stock market, the position of that company will become very high, and people will take interest to invest their money in that company. So profit is very important factor for the business. I think students, you have understood what is the role of profit in the business. Every business is done to earn only profit. Okay, I think you have understood each and everything very clearly till then.